This is my 1952 Ferguson TO30. I bought it approximately 32 years ago, so it was about 28 years old at the time. The only thing I did to it at that time was take it outwardly apart and repaint it, clean it up. Ran fine. Mowed. Only thing I've used it for is mowing grass. Pull type finishing mower. 2 years ago started giving me troubles with the 3-point hitch would not raise and starting hard, just showing its age. Have done very little maintenance to it other than oil changes over the years. Like I said, repainted it when I first got it. About 10 years ago or so, I took it apart and repainted it again. Sits outside, so naturally the weather gets to it. It also had new tires about 10 years ago. Had to, like I said, the PTO, or the 3-point hitch, wasn't lifting. It was showing no signs of lifting. Drained the oil out of it, took the side panels off, drained all the oil out, and the control valve on the pump was stuck in the open position. This is the pump. This is the control valve. It was stuck all the way out. The control arm wasn't pushing it in, so it was stuck in the down position. So I was hoping that was the only thing that I'd have to mess with. I got it back in place, got it working, started the tractor up, tried it. It was pumping some what better, but still wouldn't really lift any weight on the 3-point. So my next step is to rebuild the hydraulic pump. There are still kits available for doing that. I've looked on eBay. And they are available anywhere from $150 on up to a range of $400, depending on how deep you get into the rebuild. It's my first attempt at a rebuild, so I will keep you informed on how it goes. Try to get some video of it as it goes. I'm using the shop manual that I purchased about a year ago for it. The Ferguson dealer shop manual would have been original type. Like I said, the tractor runs good. No problems there after I just put a new tune-up kit on it and rebuilt the carburetor. Runs probably better than it ever has for me. Like I said, it's the first time I've rebuilt the carburetor. So I'll try to update as I go. Hopefully it'll go alright. Today is the 2nd of May 2012. My purpose for this is to get it ready for sale. I bought a different tractor since then. I got a Ford 1710 diesel. Nice thing about it is it's power steering. So this one's done me good for 32 years or so. We'll see how it goes. Thanks.